Hello. So you must be wondering how you can make a habit out of meditating. The first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take very, very small baby steps. And what I mean by this is if your goal is to meditate for 20 to 30 minutes a day, then you're going to want to start off with about 5 to 10. And this is really just that you can be okay with setting aside some time to meditate, because you really want to build up to the 30 minutes. And I would also recommend short guided meditations as well, because there are plenty of 5 to 10 minute guided meditations that you can find on YouTube for absolutely free. And they are excellent starting points for anybody who's trying to start meditating. The next thing that you're going to want to do is be patient. Somebody who's starting to meditate may have a certain level of expectation on what they're going to feel, how they might act, and the results that they are looking for. This expectation will absolutely destroy your practice, and you may not find yourself getting anywhere. Don't break your habit simply because you're not seeing the results that you want to see. You might find things, you might experience things, thoughts and feelings that you don't like, that you think are not part of the process, that you believe are going to impact your life negatively. And it's extremely important to remember that everything that you experience is all you, and this is a practice of acceptance. So if you're having trouble, that's probably a good thing, because honestly it means you're getting somewhere with yourself. And just remember to be patient and accept all that. Be patient with your practice, be patient with the level of progress that you make, and forgive yourself every time that you get distracted. It's all about patience from there. So another way that you can help develop this habit is to set aside a time, or simply just give yourself permission to take the time that you want at a various point in the day. Because sometimes people will try and meditate and they could be doing something else, or they feel like they need to be doing something else, and you really just need to give yourself that time to meditate, because you don't want to, if you're the type of person who's like, I gotta be productive, you are being productive when you meditate. You're helping yourself, and that is very productive. So I mean, if you have to do something else, then do that first and then meditate. So that's really all I have. I really hope this helps. If you have any questions, just comment below. Until next time, peace.